This is a brand new 2012 Ford Expedition. It has a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a low-tire pressure indicator, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, a premium audio system, Sirius satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power moonroof, heated front seats, 18-inch wheels, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.